This is Edwin Kwan from Sydney, Australia. When fixing zero-day vulnerabilities, you might download a proof of concept script to determine if the vulnerability has been properly addressed. You might do a web search to find the proof of concept and most probably downloaded the program from a GitHub repository. Beware of who you're downloading from, as hackers are impersonating cybersecurity researchers on Twitter and GitHub and publishing fake proof of concept scripts that are actually infected with malware. One such example is a fake cybersecurity company named High Sierra Cybersecurity. Their repositories appear legit, as the GitHub maintainers for those repositories are impersonating real security researchers from respected cyber organizations. The malware isn't hosted on the GitHub repository, but instead it is downloaded when the script is run. The script targets both Windows and Linux machines, so be careful when downloading scripts from unknown repositories, as impersonation is always possible. It is imperative that all code be scrutinized for malicious behavior.